Let's start our exciting review of the 2025 Mansory pickup truck. This monster on wheels combines power, style, and innovative technology to create a car that you really won't want to miss. At first glance, the 2025 Mansory pickup evokes a sense of strength and reliability. The bright blue body color with a glossy finish attracts attention, and the massive radiator grille with the Mansory logo emphasizes its aggressive appearance. The headlights, made in a modern LED style, add a futuristic touch to the car, and the massive wheels and high landing indicate its readiness for any off-road test. Let's not forget about the improved aerodynamic elements that help this giant easily cope with wind loads at speed, despite its impressive size. Look at this protective steel plate under the bumper. This is not just a decoration, but a necessary element for those who are going to use this pickup truck for its intended purpose, whether it's hard work or extreme off-road trips. Interior. Now let's open the doors and take a look at the interior of the Mansory 2025 pickup truck. That's an impressive contrast. Despite the external rudeness, a real luxury awaits us inside. Black leather with contrasting stitching and wooden inserts create the atmosphere of a premium car. The central place is occupied by a huge touchscreen display through which you can control all the functions of the car, including navigation and multimedia system. By the way, if you already like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it. The base version of Mansory 2025, approximately $250,000 to $300,000 US. Version with additional options and individual customization, from $350,000 to $500,000 US, depending on personalized solutions such as exclusive materials, improved technical specifications, and additional technological functions. The 2025 Mansory pickup truck is equipped with a powerful turbocharged V8 engine that produces more than 700 horsepower. This means that this car not only looks aggressive, but is also ready to prove its power in practice. Just imagine how easily this pickup truck will cope with any obstacles on the road and off-road. Adaptive suspension and multiple driving modes will allow you to choose the optimal settings for any conditions, be it a city street or a difficult mountain route. Mansory has provided everything for your comfort and confidence on the road. So the Mansory of 2025 is more than just a car. It is a combination of uncompromising power, advanced technology, and luxurious comfort. What do you think about this combination of aggression and luxury? Write in the comments. Thank you for watching this video to the end. See you in the next reviews. Today we have a pickup truck in review that combines power, style, and technological innovation. This is the Shelby of 2025. This Shelby pickup truck looks like its task is to impress at first sight. The black body color with bright yellow stripes is a classic Shelby that is always admired. Look at these aggressive lines and the massive radiator grille with the Shelby logo, a real symbol of power. This pickup truck immediately says that it is not just stylish, but also ready for any challenges. Pay attention to the large black rims, which perfectly match the rest of the design. They not only look cool, but also give the pickup additional stability on the road. And the rear with 4 exhaust pipes is a real statement. These details show that Shelby creates cars that do not just drive, but roar, emphasizing their power. Interior. The interior of the Shelby 2025 is made in the best traditions of sports cars, luxurious black leather with red stitching. It's not just a utilitarian pickup truck, it's a premium cabin. The Shelby logo is engraved on the headrests, which adds uniqueness to the car. The center console is equipped with a huge touchscreen display that allows you to control all the functions of the car, from navigation to multimedia. The driver has full control over all pickup systems, whether it's setting up driving modes or controlling engine power. The gearbox handle is made of high-quality materials, which emphasizes Shelby's attention to detail. By the way, friends, if you like this review and want to learn more about powerful cars, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Shelby has always been famous for its high performance engines, and the 2025 pickup truck is no exception. Under the hood is a turbocharged V8 engine that produces more than 700 horsepower. Yes, you heard right, 700 horsepower. This pickup accelerates incredibly fast despite its size. Shelby engineers have equipped it with an advanced suspension and multiple driving modes, which allows you to customize the car for different road conditions. Whether it's a high-speed highway or off-road, Shelby will show its best side. Prices for Shelby 2025 will depend on the level of customization, configuration, and additional options. The base version of Shelby 2025, approximately $110,000 to $130,000 USDA version, with improved features and additional options, from $150,000 to $280,000 USD, $180,000 US dollars, depending on individual settings, such as exclusive interior materials, sports modifications, and additional technological solutions. So friends, the Shelby 2025 is a pickup truck that combines incredible power, stylish design, and advanced technology. It is designed for those who like to stand out on the road and appreciate performance. If you were looking for a car that would be a symbol of strength and speed, Shelby 2025 is your choice. Today we have something really unusual and long, awaited in our review. This is the Toyota Corolla pickup of 2025. Imagine, the popular Corolla model, known for its reliability and economy, is now in pickup format. This is not just a practical car, it is a whole revolution in the segment of urban pickups. The Toyota Corolla pickup of 2025 has an aggressive but sophisticated design at the same time. Pay attention to the front. The huge grille and sharp headlight lines create a powerful and confident image, as if this pickup truck is ready to conquer any roads. Side panels, extended wheel arches, massive rims. All this suggests that we have a serious contender for leadership in the segment of compact pickups. And of course, the rear part did not disappoint. Stylish LED headlights stretch across the entire width, adding futurism to the overall image. This pickup truck looks like it's ready not only for work, but also for urban adventures. Interior, Toyota Corolla. Pickup is a combination of modernity, comfort, and technology. In front of you is a spacious interior with comfortable premium leather seats that offer comfort even on long trips. Look at the center console. Here we are greeted by a large touchscreen display with a multimedia system that supports all the latest technologies, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interior is clearly made with an emphasis on quality and attention to detail. Even if you are not used to seeing such luxurious salons and pickups, Toyota is pleasantly surprised here. If you like this review, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will have many more interesting reviews on the hottest new items in the automotive industry. The Toyota Corolla pickup 2025 is equipped with a 2.0-liter hybrid engine, producing 220 horsepower. This is the perfect combination of power and fuel efficiency. The hybrid installation helps to reduce fuel consumption to 6 liters per 100 kilometers, which makes this pickup economically profitable for both city and country trips. At the same time, thanks to the all-wheel drive system, you can safely go even on light off-road. The price for the 2025 Toyota Corolla pickup starts at $35,000 for the basic package. However, if you want all-wheel drive, an advanced multimedia system, and a package of premium features, the cost can go up to $45,000. But it's still a great offer for those who are looking for a versatile car that combines urban style and the practicality of a pickup truck. Market positioning. Toyota is clearly aiming to capture the urban pickup segment with this car. The Corolla pickup is a great option for those who want to combine the practicality of a pickup truck with the comfort and economy of a passenger car. This pickup truck will clearly find its fans both among urban residents and among those who are looking for a reliable car for work and travel. So this was a review of the Toyota Corolla pickup of 2025, a car that breaks stereotypes about what a pickup truck should be. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss new reviews.